This is a tutorial for your shoulder mount into a brass monkey, so you should feel confident in your shoulder mount. Basically, you should feel comfortable enough to hold it for a few seconds in a V position because you need to be able to organise your legs. So if you are just thinking about playing with this move, just start on the beginning side of this tutorial and then work your way up as you're building your strength in your shoulder mount. So let's go down to the floor a second just to talk about the legs. So I always like to go from a V just as a strength building method. So I take my legs back to a V and then I start to organise the legs. So we'll go on the left shoulder for now. So we've got my left shoulder against the pole. It's not actually in contact right now, but when you're up the pole it will be. So go to there, that's easy for you to see. So I'm going back, I've gone into my shoulder mount position, I've gone into my V. So because my left shoulder's on, I want to take both legs round to the right side to hook. But instead of going too close to the hands, I want to get up a little bit higher to really get that hook. And then I take that leg on. And then that's where you start to unravel with the hands. But it's really important that you know where your legs are going. So just do it a few times from the floor. So I'll just show you what that looks like again. So I'm ready, I'm going up into my shoulder mount, tuck the knees to the chest, take the feet back, the left leg goes to join the right, and then the left leg goes onto the pole, it hooks, the right foot flexes, and then you've got that grip. You should have been able to let go there, okay? Let's go up the pole and let's see what that looks like up there. So make sure my hands are okay for grip. So we've got into the V, into the hands. Show you from this position because I know that you'll be able to see what's happening with the body. But as soon as the legs have hooked, I'd feel safe enough to then lower down with the hands. Don't take them off completely, it's just a slide. Okay? So from there, let's just get back there. I'm going to go up, shoulder mount to one side. See this position? Both hands are still on. I'm lowering down. Squeezing with the inside leg to come down. Outside hand comes into that split grip. The pole's in the armpit. And then the outside leg joins the inside leg, goes on top of it. And then hands off. Hands back on. And you could sit back up from there if you want. So if you want to sit back up, squeeze the inside leg. Push through the bottom, the inside hand to lift. To hand, hand. Okay, that's your shoulder mount into brass monkey, so go and enjoy.